Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun bright colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small better time together, whatever that may end up being. Today is collab day. It is with the ever so gorgeous Fash Fab Beauty here on YouTube. We are doing a palette bingo where we chose each other's colors. With our blend bunny palettes, we are using the Lure and the blend. So make sure if you haven't gone to check out her channel, I'll have her video and her channel linked down below. But if you want to see how I got this absolutely gorgeous look with a really almost shitty color story, then let's get into it. For today's drink, we have a water. Because I need to cool my tits. I just went on a date. It went really good. A breakfast date. Yeah, okay. I'm flustered. It is what it is. Today is collab day. It is with the ever so amazing and gorgeous Fash Fab Beauty here on the YouTube. Me and I have done a collab before. We've talked about doing one again, and that is what we are doing here today. We chose to do just like picking each other's shades but random number generating them type thing with two palettes. We chose the Blend Bunny Lure and the Blend Bunny Blends palettes. So I did hers and she did mine, but so I have my shades right here that she sent me, and then I have hers down here. I know for a fact that I gave like the ones that she ended up getting, that I ended up getting for her, turned out freaking amazing. She has an amazing color story, and I know mine isn't that good. She was like, the bingo gods are angry. So I'm very, very scared for this, as I haven't really looked at the color story yet. But I'm gonna try and film and get this done, because I have to work in a little bit. As always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair 2N, and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. As always, everything that I use and are mentioned in this video will be linked down below. They're not affiliate links. Yeah, so let's get into this. Okay, so this is the color story. This side is the Lure, this side is the blends. This is Sailor's Delight, Catch Me, Pirate's Life, Inside Joke, Vexed, and Promise. I think I can kind of see stuff here. I can kind of see it. That shade is sort of going to throw me off a little. But I think I have some sort of an idea here. So let's give it a mother effing whirl. I'm really sorry if you can hear like noises in the background for whatever reason. One of my neighbors, every single time I try to film, they are loud as hell with all their bullshit. My god. I think I'm going to start in the blends palette with that Vexed shade right there. I'm taking that on my Unearthly UC87. If this seems rushed, it's because I am. But I'm just popping that into the crease area right here. This is one of my all-time favorite brushes. Wow. But I'm just taking it into the crease here and just dragging it forwards ever so slightly, and just bringing it back over and blending it out upwards here. My thing here is that works. I can make that work as like a good inner corner pop, but it is these two that are really going to throw me off. But I've had worse color stories before. I can make it work. I have been following Fash Fab for a hot minute now. I absolutely adore her. She's such a sweetheart. She's such a happy-go-lucky soul. Yeah, she's incredibly sweet, incredibly kind, will always just comment and support you and lift you up. Just such a good human, and I'm very lucky to have her in my corner and supporting me I absolutely love this color. Okay, just because I started the video off by saying it. Yes, I did go on a date. Yes, it did go amazing. Yes, I am seeing him tomorrow when this video goes up. He's freaking amazing, and I adore him. And fun fact, I've had a crush on him. I found him on our fire department page, and I was like, oh, he's super cute. And then a couple years later, now we're like hanging out and everything, and I'm just like a mother effing puddle. But I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Pirate's Life. I'm taking that on my Refer 13. She be dirty as hell. It is what it is. And we're going to be taking her into the crease here, just a little bit below that. We are going to deepen this out. And then just taking it a little bit here too. I also feel like whenever I use the Lure palette, because I've used it a lot for like palette bingos and Mishmash Mondays, which are palette bingos, I get screwed over with this palette every time. Like, I love and adore it. It is absolutely gorgeous. But again, every single time that I use it, I get absolutely screwed over. And I find it so incredibly rude. I'm just taking it and kind of bringing it along the lash line down here and then dragging it along the crease area right here. This is gorge. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. But I'm going back in with that unearthly brush and just sort of blending that together right here a little. I'm going to be in such a good mood. Yesterday was such a shitty day, and then I got to hang out with him. And it was really good, okay? But I'm going to go in. Ooh. You know what? Screw it. I'm still going to do what I think I was going to do, but I'm going to go in with that Promise shade right there. I think I'm going to take that on my, what is this? My Refer 02 on the clean side. I got to clean these things, okay? Just, I haven't had time. But then I'm going to just take it and lightly put it in this area right here. This is gorgeous, okay? This is gorgeous. I think I'm going to go in now with my Refer 21. Wait, no. I'm going to go back in with my Refer 13 and just sort of blend that brown and that purple together here a little. And then I think I'm going to go in with my Refer 21 and in with that Sailor's Delight shade right there. I'm just going in the inner corner with that Sailor's Delight shade. This is gorgeous. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. I do think I'm going to go in with my finger with that Sailor's Delight shade and just kind of plop it right here just for some shine. Oof. That's super freaking pretty. Like I said, I still have to use these shades, but I'm thinking like the green and the blue actually. Like maybe we'll put the green in here and we'll like do like this color and like the blue down here, and we could blend it into some sort of like a purplish shade and use that Promise Me shade. This isn't going that bad. I'm like thoroughly surprised. So I'm gonna go do my face. I will come back for under eye, blush details, highlight details, lip details, all that good shit. I'll be right back. Okay, hi, hello, I am back. For blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. I went in with that shade right there called Mouthwatering. I felt like it was going to fit the vibe. Okay, so for highlight, I think I'm going to go in with the Blend Bunny Knock to Loosen palette. I'm going to go in, I think, let me see if I can get it to, there we go. That one right there, that is called Phenomena. She's my baby. I obviously love her and adore her a lot. Just gonna plop her right there and up. For lip, I think I'm going to go in with this Nausea Hall Beauty one. It's in Self-Care. Oh wait, that looks absolutely gorgeous with this. I think, let me find the right brushes here. What did we have? We had that blue, oof. What did we have? We had Catch Me, and we had, Inside Joke yet to use. So I think I'm going to put that Inside Joke in the inner corner here. So I think I'm going to go in with that Vexed shade to start with right there. I'm going to be taking that on my Refer 23 and just jagging it along down here. Sort of just smoking it out a little bit. And then I think I'm going to go in with that Catch Me shade now. This is from the lower one. Again, still in with that Refer 23. Just plop it right in here. And once I get that placed on both sides, I will be blending that in together here. And then for the inner corner, we're going to go in with that Inside Joke shade. Again, still with this Refer 23. So this is the final completed look. She is absolutely gorgeous. I think I absolutely smashed this. My God. When Fash had sent me the names to this color story, I was like, And then when I like swatched in my hand, I was like, oh, But I think I absolutely and utterly made this work. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I made this work and I love it. I actually really freaking love it. I would have never thought like the colors that I got would have made such a pretty color story altogether. But as always, I absolutely smash it. Like, this is just so gorgeous. Again, thank you, Fash, for wanting to do a collab with me. I'm so happy that we got to do this. I'm so happy with how this turned out. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. There's so many better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy, rather than being a hateful dick. I understand that you don't like it, and I understand you don't understand it, but that is something you need to take a step back and reflect on and to do better on. Remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting enough water, enough nutrients, enough food during self-care days, and not being such a people pleaser. If you gotta buy a shit ton of things to make yourself feel better, do it. I approve it. Go do it. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.